Want to see some cool exotic animals? Come on, let's have a look. Located inside Skansen is the Skansen Aquarium, which is a pretty stupid name because there's a lot more than just marine animals there. Okay, the monkeys refuse to show me their faces, so I'm mostly gonna film their backsides. Oh, look at that little cutie. Gonna do something funny, monkey? Nope, apparently not, but you're cute anyway. I don't even have anything funny to say about this. He's just adorable. Hey there, buddy. What you eating? Wanna share some of that? And now there's a monkey fight. Nah, they're just playing. A lot of monkey action here at the aquarium. This is awesome. The meerkats apparently feel lonely, so they come in to check out the monkeys. Let's see how this goes. And they ignored each other. I love meerkats. They're so cute. Do you want to pose for a close-up? Nope, nope. Don't run away. Don't run away. Yes, you instead. No. Do you want to pose for a close-up? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No, you don't. Okay, almost. Isn't it a bit cold here for meerkats? Aren't you supposed to be in Africa? Aw. A crow is stealing food from the meerkats. Poor meerkats. Let's have a look at all the critters you can see here. And I don't mean screaming children. I hope you're not scared of snakes. There's a little rainforest section here, and they have some monkeys running around loose. Like that one. It's pretty well made, actually. And so many monkeys all over. And I see some lizards as well. I don't know if they're real or not. The tail is so close. I really want to pull it, but no, I shouldn't. Do you want to be a movie star? Do you want to be a movie star? Tell me, what's your ambition in life? To scratch your back. I don't think I've been this close to a monkey before. Well, yes I have, when they stolen stuff in Southeast Asia. Now that's a lot of grasshoppers. I think those two grasshoppers are, well, hugging maybe? Having a nice cuddle? Nothing else? Nothing else at all? Cockroaches. Almost as bad as some hotel rooms I've been in. Oh, nice. Are you allowed to pet the snakes?
Yes, of course. First we'll take this.
Of course.
And then you can touch him all over the body, but not on the head
Okay.
or on the back.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's have a look. Aw, cute. Bit warm, almost. I guess. I hope he's not frightened.
No.
Oh, well, his name is apparently Snoodas, so hello Snoodas. There are some spiders in the other direction, but I'm not gonna film there. I freak out completely about spiders. Arachnophobia, go. Watch out, a crocodile! Actually, the real ones aren't here. They return in 1 week, basically, so I missed them. Oh, look, a cute little pufferfish. He's gorgeous. I think I found Nemo. There he is. A boxfish. Nice. Pose for me. These ones always run away out in the wild. An alligator snapping turtle. Looks awesome. Vicious. I would love to see what would happen if a kid were to pet this one. This is where they should have had the snapping turtles. Ah! It's a Vietnamese rhinoceros snake. Because of the horn, obviously. No, a cute little snake resting in the warm artificial light. Look, a snake. No, it's an empty snake. Where's the real one? Ah, there it is. A lizard. A poisonous lizard at that. It's related to the Gila monster. Scorpion something something. I don't know. A nice and lazy iguana. He's probably not gonna move until, I don't know, June. I just love this rat area. It looks so cool. They've done a great job on this environment. I don't understand people who think rats are ugly. They're so adorable. Hey little guys, how you doing? Do you see any cobras to fight? Nope, nothing. Like everything else right now, the aquarium is also affected by the sea virus. So there are some things we can't see today. For example, the lemurs. I really wanted to see the lemurs, but I guess I'll have to come back here in summer sometime. Okay, so I couldn't see a lemur, but at least here's one. Hello! I like to move it, move it. I don't think this one screams death metal. I never knew that I wanted a squid, but I do. Mood rings. Predict my current mood. What do you think my mood is? I don't know. Let's try it. My mood is black, apparently. Oh my god, how adorable. Look at it. I hope you enjoyed this brief look at the Skansen aquarium. And like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. I want to hear what you think about all of this. Well, have a great day and catch you later.